code-genie.ai, ChatGPT, and large language models. In late 2022, ChatGPT was introduced to the world. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is one of the largest language modules to date. It's an AI language model based on generative pre-trained transformer (GPT) architecture, utilizing GPT 3.5. The model was trained using a very large data set from content on the internet. It can understand and generate human conversations and provide human-like responses in natural language. ChatGPT can engage in discussions, provide explanations, generate documents, create tables and charts, offer suggestions, and perform a variety of language tasks. Similar to ChatGPT, DALL-E, an AI system used to generate realistic images and art based on natural language, was also released by OpenAI. DALL-E is named from Salvador Dalí and Pixar's WALL-E. DALL-E and now DALL-E 2 combines language modules and image generators. It uses the transformer architecture similar to the GPT models. However, instead of generating text, DALL-E generates images. In its training, DALL-E was exposed to a very large dataset that contains text-image pairs, enabling it to learn these relationships. The result of this is that DALL-E can now generate fairly accurate images based on natural language text descriptions. Therefore, by providing textual descriptions with a variety of descriptive items, DALL-E will be able to generate images that corresponds to the provided text prompts. You can also generate images with natural language description called prompts via Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai. Please click the subscribe